Hello everyone, welcome to Mocking Sapien. My name is Tanay, and today we are going to talk about what all is happening in India in terms of coronavirus, like fake news, communalism. Other than handling the issue, the big disease which is happening, we have to look into such matters. So let's jump into it. Before we start, please subscribe to my channel. If you have watched a lot of my videos and you're liking my content, please subscribe right now. Take a 5 seconds break. Please subscribe. It'll do a big thing for me. Just need to reach 1,000 somehow. उसके बाद थोड़ा सा relax हो जाओ. But just till 1,000, just push me a little. Now with the ongoing coronavirus pandemic in the world, the whole world is at a standstill. And in India also it's growing at a very fast rate. More than 16,000 cases have been reported and more than 500 deaths have occurred in India. And we are at a very tough spot right now. We don't know what's actually happening. We don't have clear data because of the testing and all these issues which we are having. But obviously in this time of the pandemic, people want to take advantage ना. मतलब बहती गंगा में हाथ धोने हैं. मतलब already such a big issue is going on. नहीं भाई कुछ तो दूसरा ही घुसेड़ेंगे. When in India already the communalism was spreading like since a long time, like, and people were getting hostile towards the Muslims, they just needed one opportunity to like shove something on them, and they got it. Tablighi Jamaat did what they wanted. The media just picked it up from there and then it just went on a roll. Like the media literally started putting that information 24/7 in front of you. Only Tablighi Jamaat, nothing else. And you just started looking at it like the sole reason for the spread of coronavirus, which is not the case. There are variety of factors on why it happened. Now you need to understand this, that Tablighi Jamaat is not an event which all Muslims attend. It is an organization which had an event. It's like in Hindus there is RSS, which is a Hindu organization. So RSS is not a event. It's an organization. Same with Tablighi Jamaat. If you start blaming Tablighi Jamaat, you don't have to blame Muslims for it. So now Tablighi Jamaat had an event. And I am not gonna deny this, they have messed up real bad. And many of them are acting extremely stupid, like extremely stupid, spitting on doctors and all. This all is true. Like there are so many fake news going on, so you don't need understand what is real and what is not. So spitting on doctors, misbehaving with the things, all these things happened, and that's extremely disgusting. FIRs and all are filed on them for this case. And then 60 people from Tablighi Jamaat came to Mumbai and then they switched off their phones and they aren't traceable by the police. Why would you do that? Like they're just gonna test you for coronavirus and let you go. If you're positive, then treat you, bhai. Why are you spreading the virus? I'm not understanding this. In this whole Tablighi Jamaat incident, there were many videos circulated around the internet which were fake, which were old. So they started spreading more unnecessary hatred towards the Muslims. There are a lot of fake news. Like there are obviously some of them are true, but most of them are fake. So I'll leave a link in the description where all you'll be able to see what is fake and what is not. By Alt News, you'll be able to go and check that out. I really pity Alt News, man, right now. Like the amount of things they have to bust right now is too damn high. So any rap person will bring up some random ass thing from the past or something fake and then edit it or anything like that. And Alt News have to bust their asses to fucking debunk it for the day and night. They have to work. Fucking becharas they are. I understand, like, we have to criticize them. There's no doubt about that. But for how long? The event happened in March till April. It's going on. Like Arnab Goswami, so I had made a video on him also. He is still on our whole of criticizing Tablighi Jamaat and Maulana. Oh bhai, how convenient it is to not take responsibility for what is happening and blame it on someone. Like how easy it is, how convenient it is. But another issue which is arising from this communalism and this hatred towards one community is that these people are getting scared to come out because they'll be screwed over by the community. Because if they come out, like these people come out and then they start getting themselves tested or something like that, then the society doesn't accept them. They start acting weird towards them. So because of this, they don't come out. So that's why even WHO said that You should stop this blaming on a particular group or particular community, because that's going to cause more problems. The spread will increase because they don't come out, because of being judged, getting hatred from the whole of the public or the community. So Tablighi Jamaat is a Muslim organization. But saying that Muslims are causing coronavirus is like saying Urvashi Rautela is an IITian just because she gave JEE. No. Or like she's a Miss Universe. No, she is not. So please stop this generalizing things, please. So the media is very weird. Like they'll get up issues like which are actually happened. They'll get it up. There's no doubt about that. So people breaking lockdowns and all that, you should get it up. Good, you're getting it up. People need to be more aware and they need to follow social distancing. Totally get it. But questions are asked only to the public. Any questions which is related to the government or has to be questioned to the government, that is just eliminated. Bhai. Like there is what they'll just do from one side, other side to just forget it. There were 2 incidents which happened in which stones were thrown on doctors when they came to those houses. So whole community got up and started throwing stones and all that. So the media covered that. Very good. You should cover it. This thing shouldn't happen to the doctors, obviously. But when doctors raise concerns regarding PPE on social media, they voice it out there, they get suspended. For criticizing the government, they get suspended. And this the media doesn't get up. मतलब वो तो कुछ काम का है नहीं भाई. वो हम इतना सारा दूसरा इंफॉर्मेशन कवर कर रहे हैं, वो देखो. Like literally the doctors have no right to raise their voice right now at this time, this crucial time where they are risking their lives. Like they are reporting things which are just convenient for the government. Why do that? When the government is asked why are you testing less people, they say that we are testing more people per one positive case. Other countries are way low. Like this is the justification you're gonna give for doing less testing. We need more testing right now. Why don't you just do that? Like instead of giving such weird justifications, just do it, man. Like put in more efforts into it. The condition of the poor is so bad. I've spoken about them in my previous videos also and how they're suffering. Like today I heard the news where one 30-year-old guy, like extremely poor, he committed a suicide because he couldn't feed his family. This is just messed up. But people like Rajat Sharma from India TV, they say that Baba Ramdev donated a lot of food. Then they went to Noida, but there was no one who was hungry. No one.
मैं आपको अपना अनुभव बताता हूं. कुछ लोगों ने कहा कि नोएडा में कुछ ऐसे गांव हैं जहां पर लोगों को खाना नहीं मिल रहा. मैंने ये बात स्वामी रामदेव को बताई. उन्होंने 2000 राशन के पैकेट बनाकर, बड़े बड़े बॉक्स बनाकर भेज दिए. लेकिन मैं ऐसे लोगों को ढूंढ रहा हूं जिसे उसकी जरूरत हो. अभी तक नोएडा में ऐसा कोई गांव नहीं मिला जहां इसकी जरूरत है.
And there was no video of it. He just said it. He just says we should accept it. Then he throws the question at you only.
क्या सरकार ने अब तक किसी को भूखा मरने दिया है?
Do you think that PM, the Prime Minister, will let you starve? Will he do that? And that answers my question. Definitely. The media won't question PM cares. They have collected so much. Where are they spending? How good are they doing to help the society? Nothing. Like, do you think the Prime Minister will let you starve? They'll take all these topics and put it in front of you and divert you from actual situations. Like what is the real situation? They'll always divert you from there into something more conspiracy type, like blame game types. Because other news में तो इतना मसाला नहीं है. Like poor are suffering. अरे हाँ poor suffer. उसमें क्या जाता है भाई? Doctors are having lack of personal protection equipment. Obviously, they will have, because India is in such a crisis. They will have it, right? So chuck that. The testing also, they'll give some weird justification. मतलब भाई कुछ भी. Media suppression also. UP में तो on the Y editors I told you about, they filed an FIR on them for provoking people or something shit like that. They just reported the actual situation, so an FIR was filed on them. Yogi that way is a legend. Like just like the case which had happened in that salt and chapati incident in UP, the journalist who covered it, an FIR was filed on him. Matlab bhai, you just can't defame the government like this. No, you aren't allowed to. Blaming is very easy. Taking responsibility is difficult, and government needs to start taking responsibility and act fast. because we are in a very tough spot. Today itself around 1500 to 2000 new cases came. Thank you everyone for watching the video. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.